Back to my YouTube channel. So today I said I'll be showing you guys how to build your app. So this app is just the ones you can send and share to your friends, not the type you can upload to Play Store or something like that. For the one for your Play Store, you have to do some other things, get your keys, something like that, yeah. But today I'll be showing you the ones you can share to your friends. So guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open your app, the Hello World app that we have been building, your code, and then in your Android Studio, go to your terminal. Also, you can do this in your command prompt. Just go to the location of your file and do it. But today we'll be doing it in our Android Studio. So the first thing you do is just mind you, if you're on Windows, you can't build your iOS app. iOS is not giving Windows the permission to build iOS on Windows. But if you're on Mac, you can build Android app and Windows app on Mac. So if you want to build Android app, and iOS apps on Mac. So if you want to build iOS of this version, you're on Mac, just try to get a Mac laptop, transfer your code there, and well, that's just it. Or there are some tools like you can use Code Magic online, which I'll leave the link in the description. You can check it out. So the first thing, just press Flutter build apk, Flutter build, and well, this will take a few minutes, so I'll skip this part of the video actually. Okay guys, so the build as our apk has been built, and well, if you go to this location now, if you copy this, oh wait, no, if you copy this, wow, okay, if you copy this, Ctrl C, and then go into your Explorer and paste it here, Ctrl V, wait, so you come here, so you go into your build folder, your build, and then app output, and your Flutter apk, and here you see your apk release. So you just have to share this with your friends so they'll see the app you built. Also about the stuff I was talking about, the code, you come here, Blog Magic, and if you sign, you see somewhere you can use your Flutter. I'll leave the link in the description, so you can build apps for your Android and your iOS. So this is it guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment on what you think. Leave your comment on what you think about this video, and I'll see you in the next